Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a very simple to do repair, and that will be on this lens. It is a Tamron 2470 2.8 USD G2, a really nice lens that was sent to me for repair. The problem this lens has is that there is some fungus in between the two elements of the front assembly. That's slightly more complicated to repair, but what I'm going to show you right now is how to remove dust of the inside of this lens that in time gets in. And let us just try to take a look of the say dust. Yeah, you see there is just a little bit in the little specks, not a lot, but they are there nevertheless. But no worries, this will clean in no time. So first thing to do, so I have this little tool, this little hook. You can use also something flat like I have also here. Toothpick I think will work, and what you need to do first is to come below this ring. So you pass the thin tool and then you need to raise. You will probably need to turn around, force. Here is coming easy because I have already unstick it. And then what you can see on this ring here is there is 3 regions where there is some adhesive and it is actually glued, and some little pins that go also in. And this is how this little ring is fixed. So very simple to do, and that's the first part for the disassembly to access the front element. So next thing to do is, you see there is 3 screws. There are 3 screws, and we are going to remove them. That's my computer who is making noise. Okay, so we have removed the 3 screws. Now I just simply pull this thing and I have removed the ring that holds the filter. So in case you have broken it, you can buy this. I have saw it on the internet for sale. I think it is rather expensive for just a piece of plastic, but yeah, that's the way it is. So if you break it, you can simply remove it and change it. Okay, and then right now we have 3 more screws, and there is this little pin here in plastic. I have marked it as well, and then I will remark it. So I have my own mark that is easier to spot. And then here, to remove this, you need to remove the 3 screws. Pay just attention to the screws that you have here and the ones that we just removed that are here, because they are the same. So pay attention when assembling it again that you put in the right hole. So the one next to the pin, it is not, and then the next yes, the next no, the next yes. Okay, and with the 3 screws gone, we can just simply raise this element. There is a spacer here. Keep it with you, don't lose it, because this is essential for setting the lens. And what we do now, I have this blower, and I think if you only have dust, you will need a blower. If you have something like fungus in this region, or something that needs a more thorough cleaning, you can take a look at this video here that explains how to clean a glass surface. And then here I only have dust, so what I do is I blow. Okay, and with that I can put the element back, I need to align the pin here. So the centering is quite good by the mechanics, even though it's plastic parts. And then what we said, next to the pin, no screw. The next one, yes. So we tighten. Then one screw every 2 holes. So this one here, yes. And normally you should feel that the screw goes in with ease, because let me tell you, the first time I disassembled this lens I made the mistake, and the screws are quite more difficult to tighten, and as you see I'm just using my fingers, so any big change in the force you will feel it immediately. So this is for that. And then the cue for assembling this one is that you have this little dot that goes aligned with this. And then you have actually only one option. Okay, so we have closed it. Then I need to look for the pins here. I align and then I just push, and the lens is good for many years to come, as we have removed the dust. And this is how you do it. Extremely simple. See you next time.